Abridge. Abridged dictionary. The term abridge means to shorten or condense a larger piece of work while preserving its essential meaning. In this case, an abridged dictionary is a condensed version of a larger dictionary, containing only the most important or commonly used entries. Audacious. Audacious attempt. Audacious describes an action or a person that is bold, daring, or fearless, often in a surprising or unexpected way. In this phrase, imagine someone trying to achieve a difficult goal, like climbing a steep mountain without proper gear. This would be considered an audacious attempt. Cursory. Cursory review. Cursory means quick, brief, or lacking thoroughness. Picture someone quickly skimming a document or report without delving into the details. This type of quick glance would be considered a cursory review. Eccentric. Eccentric personality. Eccentric refers to someone or something that is unconventional, odd, or unusual in behavior or appearance. The word is derived from the prefix ex, meaning out of, and the root center, which refers to a center. In this context, an eccentric personality is someone who deviates from the norm or stands out of the center. For example, imagine a person who dresses in extravagant clothing and has peculiar habits. They would be described as having an eccentric personality. Fanaticism. Religious fanatics. Fanaticism is characterized by extreme enthusiasm, devotion, or zeal for a particular cause or belief, often to the point of irrationality. In this context, religious fanatics are people who have an extreme and unwavering dedication to their faith, sometimes engaging in extreme actions in the name of their beliefs. Inclusive. From 1 to 10, inclusive. Inclusive means encompassing everything within certain limits or boundaries. The word is derived from the prefix in meaning inside and the root klus, meaning to shut. In this example, the phrase describes a range of numbers from 1 to 10, and the word inclusive signifies that the entire range, including both 1 and 10, is shut inside or included. Luxuriant. Luxuriant hair. Luxuriant is used to describe something that is rich, abundant, or thriving, often in terms of growth. In this context, someone with luxuriant hair has thick, healthy, and plentiful hair. It's important not to confuse luxuriant with a luxurious. While a luxurious refers to something that is expensive, elegant, or comfortable, luxuriant emphasizes abundance, growth, or flourishing. Luxuriant hair, for example, refers to the hair's thickness and health, not its luxuriousness or extravagant appearance. Pessimism. Pessimistic view of life. Pessimism is a general disposition to believe that things will turn out for the worst, or an inclination to focus on negative aspects of life. A person with a pessimistic view of life tends to expect negative outcomes and dwells on what might go wrong. Renounce. Renounce her belief. To renounce means to formally and publicly reject or disown a belief, cause, or position. In this example, imagine someone who has been a staunch supporter of a specific belief, but now openly declares that they no longer hold that belief. Substantiate. Substantiate the claim with facts. To substantiate means to provide evidence or proof to support a statement or assertion. In this case, someone is being asked to back up their claim by presenting factual information or data that supports their argument.